San Diego buyers and sellers, the housing market, it just made a major move, and most people, they do not even realize it. It's not making headline news like all of that other stuff. However, inventory is rising, homes are sitting longer, and 31% of active single-family listings have taken price reductions. If you're waiting for a crash, this isn't it. But if you're looking for a window of opportunity, you might already be in it. Let's break it down, and if you want an updated 2025 buyer's guide, just comment buyer's guide down below there in the comments, and I'll send it your way. I am Lynnor Anderson. I'm partners with my dad Lyle here in San Diego. Through the years, we have been very fortunate to help over 1,000 families navigate this San Diego real estate market, from crash to boom and everything in between. Now today, I'm going to break down what's really happening in the San Diego market this June, how it affects you as a buyer or a seller, and what smart, informed folks are doing differently right now. Let's start with the facts. Inventory in San Diego is holding steady around 3,593 active single-family listings. Now that is up from where we were earlier in spring. See, in March, we had an average of 2,599 listings. That's nearly 1,000 more homes on the market in San Diego County. The average days on market has increased too. It's now at 57 days. Now back in March, it was around 32. Homes are taking almost twice as long to sell. And to add to that, at least 15% are being relisted for sale. And remember what I said a few minutes ago? 31% of listings have seen price drops. That's a major signal that sellers are adjusting expectations. We are still technically in a seller's market. However, the market action index dropped from 50 last month to 47 this week. And that is a leading indicator that we're heading into a more balanced territory. Sellers can't get away with inflated prices anymore. And that opens the door for you buyers, giving you a little breathing room and a better shot at making a smart and confident move. So as a buyer, what does this shift mean to you? You now have more time to make decisions. You can negotiate on price and repairs. You're not battling as many cash offers or competing with a 10-offer bidding war. But do not assume that every home is a deal. The best homes still are going to go quickly if they're priced right and move-in ready. What we're seeing is more of a split market. Realistic sellers win, overpriced listings sit. It'd be interesting to find out, are you seeing price drops or slower listings in your neighborhood? I'd love to hear what you're seeing out there. Let me know. You can just drop me a comment down below. If you want to take advantage of this shift, here's what smart buyers are doing right now. First of all, they are watching the market daily. Homes are dropping in price all of the time, especially ones that sat for a few weeks without offers. Look for that sweet spot somewhere in between, stale and undervalued. Secondly, they are getting fully pre-approved, not just pre-qualified. The best homes still get multiple offers, and you need to be ready when the right one hits. This one difference will give you the edge. And the third thing that they're doing is they're looking beyond just list price. The low price can come with hidden costs like needed repairs, high taxes, HOA fees, or deferred maintenance. Smart buyers are chasing value, not just bargains. We just put something together. So hey, if you do want a checklist of what to look for before making an offer, comment buyer checklist down below and I'll get that out to you. Now let's zoom in on what we are actually seeing in different parts of San Diego County. Up in North County, the market feels more balanced. We're seeing price drops on older homes and in condos with high HOA dues. Along the coast, the market's still competitive, but buyers are extremely selective. Overpriced homes are sitting, even in great locations. Condos and townhomes are facing added scrutiny with issues around HOA financials and the rising insurance costs. And homes that need work, unless they're priced very aggressively, they're sitting. Buyers want turnkey or a serious discount. If you are shopping in that $1 million plus range, you've got even a little bit more room to negotiate. Sellers in that price bracket are more open to price reductions and concessions. Are you thinking about selling instead? We do have a seller's guide that walks you through pricing, prep, and strategy in this new market. Just comment seller's guide and we'll send that right over. So there you have it, the need to know info that you can rely on from this channel. The San Diego housing market is not crashing, it's correcting, adjusting to the current conditions. And for thoughtful, well-prepared buyers, this is an incredible moment to get in without the chaos that we've seen in recent years. After a couple decades of helping folks like you, we've actually been through every kind of market, and we're here to help you through this one with strategy, clarity, and guidance that you can count on. Drop buyer guide or seller guide down in the comments and I'll send one your way. Or if you are going to continue with that holding pattern, I'm super curious. What's holding you back from making a move right now? Is it the interest rates, prices, uncertainty about where to go next? I would love to hear what you're thinking. As always, thank you for watching. We really appreciate your support with our channel here. We'll see you in the next one. If you are curious about what buying power looks like in today's market, you gotta check out our video that we did. What $1 million really gets you in San Diego? It's right there. Bye now.